Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to break down a platform that promises to solve one of the biggest problems for beauty professionals: total and complete burnout. We're taking a close look at the BeautyBot AI, and we're going to unpack all the claims it makes about putting your growth and your income on autopilot. All right, let's get into it.
So first, let's just set the scene here. The source material we're looking at really hones in on this core issue that so many people in the beauty industry face. From stylists to educators, it's that constant crushing pressure of trying to do it all yourself.
And this question, it really gets right to the heart of the matter, doesn't it? The platform is talking directly to creators who feel like they are just stuck on a hamster wheel, trying so hard to build their brand but just feeling totally drained by the whole thing. Sound familiar?
And that big general feeling of burnout, it's really broken down into these four specific struggles. You've got the endless need to promote yourself, the challenge of finding new clients when you don't have a huge ad budget, the difficulty of actually selling the courses and guides you create, and then that last one, the big one, that feeling that you're juggling every single thing by yourself.
Okay, so after laying out that problem so clearly, the source material makes a hard pivot to its solution. And this is where the BeautyBot AI comes into the picture, positioned as the answer to all those creator headaches we just talked about.
At its core, this is what the platform claims to be. It's not just some little tool. It's pitched as a complete, all-in-one assistant. And the keywords here are AI-powered and automate. The entire idea is built on letting technology do all the heavy lifting for you.
This quote just perfectly sums up the big promise. It's designed to tackle three of the biggest roadblocks for creative entrepreneurs head-on. It's basically saying you don't have to be a tech genius, you don't need to hire a whole team, and because of that, you can finally kiss that burnout goodbye.
Okay, so that's the promise. Sounds pretty good, right? But how does it all supposedly work? Let's jump into the next section and actually break down the mechanics of how this automation is supposed to function according to them.
So this four-step process is basically the user journey in a nutshell. It all starts with you, providing the value, your awesome content. But from there, the system is designed to completely take over. It handles the promotion, it turns your audience into a sales force, and ultimately, it generates income for you 24/7.
Now, this is a really critical part of the model, this idea of automated affiliation. So instead of you having to go out and manually set up a whole referral program, the system is supposedly designed to automatically sign people up who attend your webinars or buy your courses, giving them a real reason to share your stuff.
All right, let's talk about the money. How is this thing actually monetized? Well, the platform lays out three different income streams. First up, direct referrals. The claim is that creators earn $1 for every single guest an affiliate brings in for an event, like a webinar. It's a simple, volume-based model.
The second income stream is a revenue share. This suggests that there are other ways to make money built into the platform, things like ads or maybe digital tips. And creators are said to get a really significant piece of that pie, up to 70% of the revenue. And then there's the third stream, a team bonus. This is a percentage, up to 12.5%, that you can earn from transactions from your entire affiliate network. So it adds this kind of multi-level element to the whole earning structure.
The platform also makes a pretty huge technical claim about its tracking capabilities. The idea is that the system can trace a single referral through 10 layers of connections. So from your fan to their friend to their friend's friend and on. And it supposedly tracks that entire chain of influence.
Of course, this level of automation has a price tag. So let's get into the nitty-gritty and take a look at the actual plans, the pricing, and the specific features they offer based on what's in the source materials.
Okay, so there are two main tiers. On the left, you've got the Guest List Builder, which is an annual plan that's really focused on just getting people to your events. But on the right, you have the much more expensive Automated Sales Outreach. This one's a monthly plan that includes everything from the first tier, plus full-scale sales automation, unlimited leads, and even lifetime advertising. So the choice really boils down to what a creator's goals are right now.
Now, to back up all these promises, the company makes some seriously big claims about its past performance and its reach. This next section is all about the impressive numbers and results that they're advertising to potential users.
And this is their big headline number, over 300 million impressions. That is a massive figure, and it's meant to show that they have a proven track record of getting eyes on creators in the beauty world, even before they fully rolled out these new AI tools.
The way the platform positions itself in the market is by drawing this really clear line in the sand. They say their model is done for you, while their competitors are all do it yourself.
They really emphasize that they handle the ads, they build the team for you, and they use multiple channels, which they contrast with other tools that they claim just leave creators to figure it all out on their own.
So, as we get ready to wrap up this explainer, let's circle all the way back to the one central theme that runs through absolutely everything this platform markets, that promise of a completely hands-off system that just works for you.
This quote really just captures their entire marketing message in one sentence. The setup is done for you, the system runs itself, and the income is perpetual. This is the ultimate dream they're selling to that burned-out beauty creator.
And all of this leaves us with one last question to chew on. As tools like this get more and more powerful, what does that really mean for the future of creative work? Is this kind of total hands-off automation the ultimate goal for entrepreneurs? Or is there something valuable that gets lost when the creator steps that far away from the process? Definitely something to think about.